Hey yo, I been on, been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been storm. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing some feed-in braids using this Easy Braid Quattro 4X. The length is 26 inches and the color is 1B. It is supposed to be 4 in a pack, but I already used 1 from it, so that's the reason why you only seen 3. I'm also gonna be using this green hair. The length is 30 inches. I'm not sure what the color is, but I will try to find out for you guys and leave it in the description box. For this style, I'm gonna be using 1 from the pack of black hair, and I will also be using the entire pack of green hair. Before I start, I take out all the hair that I'm gonna be using, starting from small pieces going up to bigger pieces, and I lay them on the thread holder that I have, and I keep doing this until I have enough to do my entire hair. I will show you coming up what it looks like, or what they look like on the thread holder. As for the green pieces, they were all big size because I know the green was gonna be in the back part of my hair and none was gonna be in the front. So this is what I got so far. I knew I was gonna be doing 5 braids going back, so I kept taking out 5 pieces of each size that I need until I had enough to complete the style that I'm going for. I'm parting out my hair in a way where it looks like all my braids are coming from the center of my forehead. I'm doing my very best to explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing while I'm doing it, just in case you want to be doing your hair while watching my video, even though I strongly suggest that you watch the video first and then do your hair afterwards. This way you will have a better understanding of exactly what I'm doing. The reason why I'm adding jam as I part my hair is because it helps to make my parting look much sharper. I start my braid off by using my hair first, and then I add the synthetic hair as I go along. I was doing this first one the way I usually do feed-in braids on my customers, but I was really struggling doing it in my hair. So coming up, you'll see that I changed the method in which I do the braids, and it made everything so much easier. Actually, for this first one, I'm gonna take it back out, so I'm not even gonna show you guys me braiding it to the end. As I started braiding the second one, I realized it was so much easier braiding it or adding the hair in the same method as I saw most of these YouTubers been adding the braid when they do feed-in braids. Doing it this way was so much easier and I wasn't struggling anymore. Actually got to the point where I started enjoying doing my hair so much I did not want to stop. So you see, even I am learning something new. Now I'm doing that middle one over again like I told you guys I would. This time it came out looking so much nicer compared to the first time. So I know I'm not doing much explaining on what I'm doing exactly, but I promise I will make another feed-in video where I'll explain to you guys exactly what I'm doing. But real quick, as I'm braiding the hair, I put it in with one side going towards my face and the other side going towards the back. and then I start braiding in the back part, and then I add the front piece in with what I'm braiding. As I get far enough to the back, I start adding the green in, and I keep adding green until I finish. Like I said, I hope I'm doing good at explaining to you guys what I'm doing. If there's something that you don't understand, please ask me in the comment box below and I'll try my best to explain even better to you. Before I start my braids, I definitely add jam, and this will help to smooth out my natural hair and help it to blend more with the synthetic hair. Just in case you're wondering why I put the braid in my mouth while I'm doing my hair, and I do not recommend that you do this. I do it because I hold the hair in place while I'm braiding it so it doesn't pull and mess up in any way, if that explains or if that makes sense. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you feels so special. Pretty over from the minute that I met you. I didn't say this in the beginning, but doing that braid in the middle first usually helps me to line up the ones that are gonna be next to it. If it works better for you with starting your braids off at the sides, I said go for it. But as for me, I usually take the easy way out, especially when doing my hair. Freezing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, you were getting by some rum and cola. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. Not a smooth talker under pressure. Sweaty palms ain't making it much better. Something about you. For my edges, I'm gonna be using this Ebin 24-hour edge tamer edge control. Trying to get your attention, you make me nervous. In the corner of my best friend's sofa, I'm gonna tie them down and leave them to dry. Wasn't brave enough yet just to talk to you. I'm then adding some mousse to make my hair look even better after I tie it down. And I usually just put a lot on it and make it soak right in my hair. I then tie it down and leave it to dry while I do my makeup. Now this is what my hair looks like after everything is finished. Can I tell you guys how much I'm in love with this hairstyle? I was not expecting it to come out looking this beautiful, but it did, and I'm so loving it. This is the second time I've done feeding braids on myself. The first time I can't say that I was thrilled about it, but this time I am totally satisfied. But I would definitely love to know what you guys think about this hairstyle. Let me know if it's something that you guys would try, and if you would like to see me do more feeding braids, let me know that also in the comment box below. If you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. I would gladly appreciate it. A big shout out to all my new subscribers that have been joining my team. I really appreciate you guys. Also, I want to thank you guys for leaving those nice comments. I have posted some of them on Instagram because I was so excited to see what you guys wrote. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, share it with a friend that you think may like it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!